Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, it's about to go down on the YouTube streets yet again. Yes, Uowami has decided to declare something with Lungelo, right? So Uomi made a quick video saying basically Ulungelo is copying him. The video comes after Ulungelo approached Upalisa for an interview, and Uomi like, why are you approaching the person that I interviewed? I was like, And she was like, are my interview skills not good? That's Owami now asking if her interview skills are that bad that Ulungelo might go and approach Upalisa. And I was like, that's funny because remember, Umekchi also interviewed, I'm going to talk about the recent interview. Also interviewed Mbuyiseni Ndlozi after Mbuyiseni Ndlozi was interviewed on some SABC channel, and Ndlozi got 770,000 views from that interview. And then on McG's podcast and chill, he obviously got more than 1 million. So I don't think it's about the interview skills or what, but Ugo was livid. Ugo was not having it. So it was like, she said something like, are you looking for the same views or as the ones that she got from Upalisa, which were about 200k plus? So Ulungelo wanted to shoot quick in a hurry. That's how greedy he decided to be. Ukelo was leave it. Ukelo was not having it. Like, but me, personally, I still feel Uguti. I don't know, Uguti, it's warranted or what, but I've seen so many people on this streets, being the YouTube streets, interviewing one person, and the interview does not necessarily go to the same direction. But Ugoge felt Uguti no Ulungelo manje sekabhizi ngaye, ubhizi ngaye, ufuna ukuba lento ayiyo, uyamgijimisa, ufuna nje ukumthethela ama-clients, right? And then because Ulungelo wanted to shoot quick, Owami also went further. Plus, I get Owami, like, if she feels sorry, you've done her wrong. If she feels sorry, you've done her wrong, nothing will make reason. She will want to prove to people, Luguti, you are, like, in which ways are you bad? Remember the interview, like the video she made about Ricky and wanting to expose Ricky and saying Ricky's dating this person. In before even Ricky says he's dating with Amara, right? But nonetheless, we are not there. So now she is alleging Uguti Ulungelo is copying from a channel called The Diary of a CEO. Ugirl is saying the posture, the content, the thumbnail, the direction of the interview, everything. And if you go to the channel The Diary of a CEO, you will see exactly Uguti Ulungelo is copying. I was like, yo. She further said, is Lungile trying to get some clout in it? I was like, nah, okay, already has clout, guys. Ulungela is already a bit famous on the YouTube street. Like, his channel is doing good, of which Owami also acknowledged very, like, you know what, his channel is doing good. He got 1 million views from the video that he did. Latoya is F up. Remember that interview? She also mentioned it. But this is the one that got to me, and I was like, Owami, ngeke. So Owami said she will go to her lawyer if need be and ensure that everybody that she interviews will at least go to his channel, being Engineering Your Life Yaga Lungelo, only after 6 months after she is done with the person's interview, because she cannot be copied to that extent. Yeah. Guys, it is lit. Go to the Owami's channel, watch that interview. If that video, if you didn't watch, come back, tell me what you think. But it's the YouTube war has started. This is your girl, Atisebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. But most of all, know ukuthi umgosi lo, it's not my business. It's their business. Bengekho lapho akilikeni. I love you. Peace. Bye.